Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave YouTube channel. This is Henry, and today is Tuesday, December 13. The time is 4 a.m. GMT. And today we're going to be looking at the chart of Apple. This is a 45 minutes chart here. Now we can see Apple, if we just look at the shorter cycle from this 150.9, we can clearly see what looks to be an impulsive move to the downside, a 5 ways down with an extended wave 3 and also divergence on the wave 5. Then you can see in the rally here, the rally looks to me like a clear 3 waves here in the first leg, suggesting that the entire cycle is corrective and that it can find sellers right here 146 to 148 to end the wave 2, and then starts to turn lower again from here. So shorter cycle is pretty simple. As long as we stay below 150.9, we can expect the rally to fail here in this area, and then it should turn lower again once it ends with 2 right here. Okay, because of the 5 ways down and a 3 ways correction or 3 ways rally here. Now in the weekly time frame, zooming out, we are kind of trapped at the moment within this range, right? But again, if we look at the shorter cycle, the decline from the peak from this wave 2 looks impulsive and the rally looks corrective. So this is the area we expect the rally to fail, 146, 150, and then it should go down again for Apple. Alright, so that's the update here guys for today, and I'll see you guys again next time. If you want to check more updates on Apple or any other stock ETF, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial. The link is in the description of the video. So see you all again next time. Have a nice day everyone.